morning, good my friend. Welcome back to the program. Thank you for joining us today because today we have a special visitor, Samantha Brainy.
Hello Gerard. Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. I'm from Brown Magpie Wines, one of Gerard's friends. Thank you for having me on your lovely cooking show, the famous YouTube channel. It's wonderful to be here with the famous French chef Gerard, and thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you, Sammy, for coming today. Sammy, you run with Mom and Dad the famous vineyard, the Brown Magpie. Can you tell us about it?
I do, Gerard, yes. My parents own Brown Magpie Winery down in Mottawarri. It's a single vineyard, so they grow all the vines on site and make all the wines on site. It's local to this area in Victoria. We make cool climate wines, and I've brought a couple to bring today to cook the escargot with. So we have a Pinot Gris, which we might put in the sauce because it's a rich, full-bodied white wine with a bit of oak on it. And secondly, I've brought the Loretta Champagne. It's a sparkling wine, which is what we call champagne in Australia, made with Pinot Noir grape, but it's a white champagne. So it's a Blanc de Noir, beautiful sparkling wine, and it's made in the traditional French style. So that's a little bit about
Yes, congratulations, Samantha.
Thank you, Gerard.
Samantha, what brings you here today?
Well, Gerard, I've come to watch Gerard cook. We met up in Paris a few years ago. Gerard's beautiful wife Robin and my mother are best friends, and we had shared a beautiful steak tartare in a bistro right near the Eiffel Tower, and I absolutely love French food, so I'm very excited to watch Gerard cook today.
That was great memories.
It was great memories. I love French food. It's lovely, so we're going to have a very enjoyable day today.
Thank you, Samantha. Today, with Samantha, we'll be doing a beautiful brioche like that with snails in it, okay? With a sauce. What's in the sauce?
It's cream, Pinot Gris, and escargot, and some pastis, and some garlic and parsley.
Beautiful.
And some orange rind.
All right, I hope if you like this video, thank you to put the thumbs up.
And follow. And subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you to encourage us.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, Samantha, without further ado, let's do some cooking.
Let's cook.
Let's cook. Okay, let's
Put
cook.
my apron on.
You love the French chef apron.
Well, what an
So
honour.
a bit dirty, but
That's fine.
to protect your nice breast. And we starting to cook the brioche. We will start by rinsing thoroughly the escargot from their brine under cold water for 1 minute and then drain them in a strainer. I always stabilize my chopping board with a wet detail before using a sharp knife. Now I can cut the escargot in two safely.
Okay, I'm adding the mushrooms in, and we're going to marinate them in the Pinot Gris. Mushrooms, the snails. They look like little mushrooms, but they're snails. So we just pour a bit of Pinot Gris in and move the sauce so all the snails are covered, and we'll let them marinate for a little while.
Now you can put your escargot in a good white wine for 4 minutes on slow. Now cut the garlic in two to remove the middle bitter part and chop them finely. Now peel the shallots and slice them finely too. After 4 minutes you can drain the escargot, but because they are already cooked. But keep the wine for the sauce. Prepare your fresh parsley from the garden. Wash it, drain it, and chop it finely. And reserve for the persillade.
What is persillade, Gerard?
Look, Samantha, I show you how to do the persillade. It's a Provençal mixture. You add 50% of crushed garlic, 50% of fresh chopped parsley, and mix well. We will use it at the end of the sauce for this extra flavor. In a pan, add clarified butter to cook the shallots.
Gerard, what is clarified butter?
It's a butter from which all the milk solid have been removed. I use it often in a pan as it can be heated to higher temperature before burning, and also it tastes better than the oils. When the shallots are reduced, just translucid, you can add the mushroom. Now you reduce them slowly until you remove all their water contents. Now season well the mushroom with salt and pepper and mix well. As you can see, the mushrooms are a little bit darker and they have lost their fluid. So you can add now your wine, Samantha. Beautiful. And then the chicken stock.
Gerard, why are you adding sugar to the sauce?
We do that to remove the acidity of the wine and of the stock. Now let's prepare the homemade brioche. You can see my link on the top right corner, but those ones have no sugar. Firstly, we remove the top part, it's like a little hat. Then with a knife, we turn around like a cylinder all around the brioche. Base of the brioche, we use a little knife and try to free the middle part to make room for the snails and the sauce. Now, one of the last operations is to add the cream to the mushroom sauce. Grate some nutmegs that will give a very nice flavor to the sauce. As you can see, the sauce is nearly ready. Then you can add the escargot. Grate some orange rings to give some nice flavor. And now the flambéed with pastis. Be careful, don't put your fan on, or you may have the visit of the fire brigade. Now look at this sauce, it's a right texture. You can see now, and I can add the persillade. That will give this finished taste of Provence. Alors, persillade is garlic plus parsley, the one I showed you a little bit before. Finish with the signature of roasted crushed hazelnuts, the aroma of the forest where the escargot come from. Now get your plates ready and warm up the brioche. You can fill up carefully the brioche and display snails and sauce on the plate. Put back the little hat on the top of the brioche and voila!
Beautiful. Love it. Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Well done, Gerard. This looks wonderful, Gerard. Tell me how this dish came about.
That's one of my creation, my invention. I did a few years ago the same thing, but with a crocodile.
Wow.
And I had my recipe, I had an award for that, and my recipe was published in a magazine, Perrier.
Wow. Well,
Okay.
let's try it, shall we, Gerard? I'll tell you what I think. I'm going to ruin it. Oh, it looks delicious.
What do you think?
Delicious.
If you do in a restaurant? Yeah.
Magnifique. Lovely. Enjoy, everyone.
You can taste the pastis,
You must try
the
it.
snail,
You can.
your
Bit of
nice
the
white
orange zest.
wine.
Yes, the
from,
beautiful Pinot Gris.
yeah, but you did well. You helped me well.
And it'd be lovely.
Maybe
with
we can try maybe one glass of yours.
Yeah, maybe. Let's have a glass of wine to have it with.
Yes.
After we say goodbye to you all.
Yeah. Thank you for the show. Thank you for watching this.
And like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Hello,
And-
Uncle Roger.
And talk to you very soon. And the next video maybe will be a chocolate mousse.
Yes, maybe. That sounds
Maybe.
wonderful.
So keep
He might invite me back.
tuned.
Stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Bye
Au revoir.